All right, Adam. Please tell us what happened before you came to see me and what I did for you.
Actually, both of my biceps, distal bicep, they both tore off.
How'd that happen?
Martial arts.
Okay. Which one did you tear first?
The left one.
Okay. And then I repaired that for you about 8 months ago.
Yes.
And then how long after that did you tear the right side?
In October. So it was July, and then October this one went.
Okay. So repaired both of your biceps. How was the recovery after the surgery?
Very easy. Very simple, no pain.
Okay. And then how are you feeling right now?
Perfect. I feel for me like 100%.
Good. And then check your motion. If you can bring your elbows all the way straight out. And then bend them as far as you can go.
This way?
Yeah. Good. Good. All right. And then as of now, you've returned back to martial arts?
Yes.
Okay. And how happy are you satisfied with the surgery?
Very happy. Couldn't be happier.
Okay. Great. All right.